RPF Recruitment 2024 notification. The Railway Recruitment Board (RRB) announced a total vacancy of 4,660 for the constable and sub-inspector posts in the Railway Protection Force or RPF. Eligible candidates may apply online from 15th of April 2024 to 14th of May 2024. And the following posts are: number 1 post name, sub-inspector, number of posts 452, age limit 20 to 28 years as on 1st of 7 or July 2024. Upper age relaxation as per government rules. Salary pay level 6 of 7 CPC. Initial pay rupees 35,400. And essential qualification, any graduates from a recognized university. And second post name constable, number of posts 4,208, age limit 18 to 28 years as on 1st of July 2024. Upper age relaxation as per government rules. Salary pay level 3 of 7 CPC. Initial pay rupees 21,700. So the essential qualification for the post of constable is 10 pass or equivalent from a recognized board by the government of India. How to apply for RPF Recruitment 2024 for SI and constable vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online to the respective RRB official website from 15th of April 2024 to 14th of May 2024. Applicants are advised to go through the RPF Recruitment 2024 for SI and constable vacancy short notification. So friends, this link I'll put on my description box below. So please hurry for the following post for the SI and constable vacancy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.